Okay, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog, and you are watching my YouTube channel that features lifestyle, travel, food, and tech, and also unboxing. We are now finally going to unbox the Realme C65 smartphone from Realme Philippines. Alright, finally, no, nagawa tayong teaser to recently na about the Realme C65 smartphone from Realme Philippines. So, ang sabi dito, this is a future-proof smartphone kasi pinagmamalaki nila na meron itong 48 months fluency rating. It means that the phone is fine at performing well with no lag or no errors for 4 years. Magagamit mo to in lagpas 4 years, no? So, because of that rating, no, pinatibay daw nila yung phone, and also nagdagdag sila ng mga very interesting feature na dito ko lang siya makikita, no? So, before I unbox the Realme C65, let me discuss to you the features and tech specs of this smartphone from Realme Philippines. Alright, let's do this. So, ito yung mga features, no, ni Realme C65. Basahin ko yung mga features niya, no? Sabi to, it has a continuous peak performance even after 48 months of use out of the box. So may mga essential features siya. So ito yung tawagin ng 48 months fluency ratings. It means that marami siyang test na ginawa and still performing well in 48 months. Yun ang kanilang guarantee. At up to 3 years of support through software with 2 major updates to help maintain peak performance. So mayroon siyang 3 years of support daw. At isa dito ang pinakamagandang feature nila is meron siyang promotion of eye care through low blue light emission. So hindi siya masakit sa mata. The screen is maganda yung performance ng screen niya, hindi masakit sa mata at hindi nakakapa. Ito rin uso sa mga smartphones na yung mga low blue light certification, no? At sabi dito, it has a consistent quality control for a compact and hefty built smartphone. So matibay na yung smartphone, kahit ibalibag mo, hindi daw masisira. Pero syempre, wag yung ibabalibag, no? Mga accidental falls, yun lang. At isa pa, meron siyang 45 watts Super VOOC fast charging feature, at sabi na rito it can maintain high battery health even after 1,600 charging cycles and all-day battery life with its 5,000 milliampere of battery. So yun ang kanyang battery specs at performance. At maganda rito is meron siyang rainwater smart feature. Sabihin pag naliligo kayo, no? Hawak-hawak. Sino ba lang sa smartphone pag naliligo? Just in case may tumawag habang naliligo ka at may nabasa yung phone, you can still operate dun sa screen ng phone na may mga na-encounter sa akong ganung ibang phones basa yung kamay ko kasi nagbuhugas ako ng plato, may nag-message, hindi ko ma-operate yung phone kasi nabasa yung screen ko, kailangan ko punasan. So si Realme 65, kahit basa yung phone nyo or nawisikan ng tubig ulan, you can still operate the phone na hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng plastic. At pinaka very interesting nila dito yung kanilang mga features, no? Meron siyang air gesture features, meron siyang dynamic button, mini capsule 2.0, at i-mention ko na kanina yung rainwater smart touch, meron siyang smart code scan, parang sa mga QR code to, at meron siyang customized lowest brightness, AI boost at riding mode. Very interesting yung mga features na hindi ko pa nakikita sa ibang phones, like the riding mode at saka yung kanyang smart code scan, which is sabi dito pag tinap mo daw yung phone ng 2 beses sa likod, it will activate the QR code scanner without any clicking the phone or pin code, for example, tapos pupunta ka para sa camera app. Ito parang tap lang, lalabas na yung QR code scanner niya. Napakagaling, no? So ito na yung tech specs ni Realme C65. For the display, meron siyang 6.67 inches LCD HD Plus display. Ang kanyang screen resolution is 1604 by 720. So I guess the screen is 720p. At meron siyang PPI na 264. For the refresh rate, gumagamit siya 90Hz refresh rate. Meron siyang 180Hz touch sampling rate. So I guess okay to for gaming. Meron siyang 500 nits brightness, 625 nits na HBM, IP54 dust and water resistance. Importante ito, kahit malikabukan siya, okay siya. Mabisi ka ng tubig, okay pa rin din siya. Pero hindi siya submersible, hindi siya pwedeng ilubog. At meron siyang TUV SUD 48-month fluency at TUV Rainland low blue light certification. Yan yung minention ko kanina, no, na hindi masakit sa mata when you're using your phone. Hindi ka mapapapikit na sobrang liwanag. For example, ito yung yung low blue light niya, talagang kailangan hindi siya ganun kalakas at hindi nakaka-apekto sa mata natin. For the body, ang weight niya is 185 grams at ang kanyang thickness, very ultra slim na 7.64 millimeters. So napakanipis, napakaliit daw niya, napakagaan na rin din. For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng MediaTek Helio G85. This is octa-core with 12 nm up to 2.0 GHz at ang kanyang GPU is ARM Mali G52. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. At ang kanyang memory, very interesting yung kanyang memory kasi meron siyang 8GB of RAM na base RAM at additional na 8GB of dynamic RAM expansion. So kung full blast mo to, you can get a 16GB of RAM. Tapos kasama niya yung 256GB of internal storage. Napakalaki ng internal storage niya. At ang maganda dito, one of the best is meron siya external storage expansion na up to 2 TB. So pwede kang gumamit ng micro SD card sa phone na ito. At kanyang meron siyang SIM card tray na triple card slot siya. It means that dual SIM na, tapos pwede ka pang maglagay ng expansion nyo, micro SD card. Grabe, ito na ating the best, perfect na phone with this kind of specs when it comes to memory at saka yung expansion niya. For the camera, for the rear camera tayo, no, it's a dual rear camera. Meron siyang 50 megapixel AI camera with 1.8 aperture. This is the wide camera niya. Main camera with a field of view of 79.5 degrees at ang kanyang focal length is 26mm focal length for the rear camera. At meron siya second camera niya sa rear is a 2 megapixel na may 2.4 aperture. Ito yung depth camera, nag-create ng mga blur, mag-create ng mga added effect for the photography. At for the capture mode, the rear camera can do photo, video, night, street, high-res, professional, panorama, portrait, time-lapse, slow motion, panorama, movie, super text, at Google Lens. At the rear camera can shoot up to 1080p of video recording. For the front camera naman, isang camera lang sa front camera. It's an 8 megapixel selfie camera with a 2.05 aperture. This is a wide din daw to with a field of view of 80 degrees. Ayan. Plus, capture mode niya is photo, video, nightscape, portrait, and time-lapse. At can do 1080p of video recording. For the battery naman, yung Realme C65, gumagamit siya ng 5,000 mAh of battery. Malaking battery naman nito na mayroong 45 watts super VOOC charge, fast charging. So, ang specs daw nito is 30 seconds charge for good na for 43 minutes of call, 50% charge in 30 minutes, at tapos meron daw siyang 38 safety protection for the battery. So, may mga algorithm yan para hindi masira yung battery niya which comes to voltage, no? At meron ito yung natawag natin VCVT Intelligent Tuning Algorithm that automatically adjusts voltage and improve charging performance. Kaya maganda yung kanyang meron siyang safety protection for the battery at meron pa siyang parang intelligent tuning algorithm para mini-measure niya yung voltage na pumapasok. So yun yung gagamitin niya to get a very nice, healthy battery. For the other specs, the Realme C65, this is a 4G ready phone, dual nano SIM plus with a 1 micro SD slot. Ang Wi-Fi niya is 2.4 GHz at 5 GHz. Bluetooth 5.0 na rin din siya. Meron siyang one speaker, 3.5mm ear jack. Wow, finally, meron siyang ear jack. This is a USB Type-C port. Meron siyang 200% ultra boom speaker. So sabi ko 200%, so mas malakas yung sound nito. At multi-mode enhanced antenna. Other features, no, like the Mini Capsule 2.0, ang feature nito, naglalagay siya ng mga notification dun sa may parang taas, sa may selfie camera, no? Mga animated notification for charging and battery status, data usage, step tracking, event reminders, weather notification, at music playback control. Medyo parang pang visual siya, aesthetic, animated eh. May siya tinatawag na dynamic button. Ang maganda sa dynamic button ni Realme C65 is yung side-mounted na fingerprint scanner which is a power button. You can customize din, mag-custom map ka ano yung mga commands na ilo-launch niya. Like for example, launching an app or feature. So sabi dito, the costing mapping features niya is pwede kang mag-sound mode, quick card pack or snap cards, turn on off yung disturb mode, may siya turn on the riding mode, pwede ka rin mag-airplane mode, camera mode, are open and up. So hindi ko pa natatry itong dynamic button. We will explore this. For the smart code scan, sabi dito you can double tap the gesture at the back of the phone to activate the scanning. This is good for GCash, Grab, at Payma. So mga transaction, you can just tap the phone, boom, scan na kagad and do your payment transaction. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-login. I'm not sure kung paano mag-work to sa mga e-wallet, no, but we're going to find it out. At kailangan kasi naka-on na yung app mo eh. So before doing the smart code scan, dapat naka-open na yung app mo, like GCash or Maya, na ready na for payment. Kasi usually pag magtatap ka or magbabayad ka, you need to log in eh. So exploit din natin itong feature na ito. So may tawag silang real quality feature ni Realme C65. Ito yung mga series of tests. So, this is a good stats, no? Gusto ko itong isama sa aking presentation. Sabi dito, nakagawa silang 320 plus stringent tests inclusive of 500,000 times of clicking the power button at meron siyang 100 times of clicking on the volume rocker button. 20,000 times of plugging and unplugging the USB cable, 500,000 times of taps and clicks on the display. Wow! 10,000 times of plugging in and out from the headphone jack. Long-term high temperature and high humidity at 65 degrees Celsius up to 95% RH for 14 days. O grabe yung mga series of tests. Ito yung mga gusto kong data. Parang gusto nila patunayan na matibay yung phone nila. Gusto kong makita yung mga ganitong stats. Just to show talaga na proven na yung kanilang 48-month fluency rating. For the body color available here in the Philippines, available siya in Starlight Black at Starlight Purple. I went to the website of Realme. Parang ibang color yung nakalagay doon. Pero itong tech sheet na pinadala sa akin ni Realme, sabi nila the body color is Starlight Black at Starlight Purple. So yung aking body na nakuha natin, it's Starlight Black ang aking nakuha, which is okay na rin din. For the SRP of the Realme C65, this is out na sa market for a price of 9,999 pesos. At medyo na late na yung aking pag-vlog, no? Hindi ko na i-promote yung promo kasi busy ako nakaraan. But ang daming mga offerings niya. Parang yung 9,000, parang 8,000 na for the first few days of selling. So, tapos na yung promo, no? Pasensya na, hindi ko na isama yung mga promos nila. But if you're interested to get a very nice, affordable phone, yan, para sa mga chikiting, sa mga teenager, or sa mga seniors, or daddy and mommy, at looking for a phone na talagang suwak sa inyong budget, check out the Realme C65. Pumunta kayo sa mga concept store, sa mga tindahan, sa mga SM Mall, for example. Try the phone before you buy and decide kung kailangan ito or okay ba sa inyo. Alright, so na-discuss ko na yung tech specs. Let's move on now to the unboxing of the Realme C65, the future-proof phone of Realme Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, now we are going to unbox the Realme C65 smartphone from Realme Philippines. Says here the 48-month fluency protection, kanilang TUV, Rayland and low blue light certification. So I got the saan na ba yung color niya? Ito, Starlight Black body, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage. Alright, unbox natin. Actually, na-unbox ko na to, but hindi ko pa siya na-set up. So I'm going to set it up for you. So what's inside the box? It's the SIM ejector pin. Tanggalin natin to kasi gusto ko makita mamaya yung ano niya, yung SIM tray niya. And here we go. What else inside the box? This is the unit. Actually, yung naikabit ko na pala yung ano no, yung jelly case niya. So may kasama siyang jelly case. At ito yung unit, Starlight Black. And then ang kanyang body is very smooth. Ayan. There are some manuals. Ayan, some ayan. At kanyang USB Type-C cable at yung kanyang 45 watts na charger. Ayan, 45 watts nakalagay. Ayan. So, ayan na, that's what's inside the box. So, hindi ko na muna papakita yung other stuff kasi yun na naman talaga siya. So I'm very interested to see. First, kasi ito yung lagi ko nalilimutan eh, buksan yung SIM tray eh. So unahin ko din yung SIM tray on my next video, no? And boom! Wow! This is amazing. This is amazing. Kita mo naman dito. This is amazing na you can see here, tatlo. Dalawang nano SIM 4G at isang micro SD card, which is, this is a very perfect. May expansion na 256GB pa ang storage niya at total of 16GB of RAM kasi meron siyang extra 8GB na dynamic RAM. Alright? Alright, so this is the Realme C65 smartphone. Let's have a very close-up look. So this is the dual camera niya. Itong isang to, it's parang dami lang yan. Pang aesthetic lang siya. At meron siyang flash here. I'm not sure kung, pero wala eh. Walang laman eh. So ano lang yan. Parang pang pakeme lang yan. So that is the back of the camera. It's very shiny. No? Very worried lang ako for scratches. Pero you have to use the jelly case for more protection. At sa top of the phone, it's very smooth, malinis. Sa side niya, nandito yung SIM tray. Ayan, sa left side. Sa ilalim, 3.5mm head jack. May microphone, USB Type-C. Isang speaker lang siya. Pero sabi, 200% daw yung boom speaker niya. So, isang speaker lang. Sa right side, it's the fingerprint scanner at saka yung kanyang volume rocker. And also the front camera, pinhole camera. So, i-on na natin to para makapag-setup na tayo kasi I'm going to Samar Leyte and I'm going to use this phone for documenting my trip, for photography, para makapag-camera test na rin din tayo out of town, no? So, here's the logo of the Realme, powered by Android. So, nakikita nyo siya dyan. Ayan. Ting, tinaneng. Alright. Medyo matagal, no? So, for a price of 9,999 with that kind of specs, palagay nyo, okay na ba to sa inyo? Or you want more? Diba? So, what if, kung ginawa pa nilang 512GB to, no? Hello? Click natin. Ayan, let's click English. Select region. Region natin is Philippines. Ayan, click tayo. So, next. Next. So, medyo may kabagalan ng konti. No? Connect to mobile. Next. So, mag-login muna ako sa Wi-Fi. Wait lang. And now, I am now connected sa Wi-Fi namin. So, getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, sabi nila. So, wait lang natin yan. Ayan, loading na siya. Ganda ng phone, no? Ayan. So, we're going to try photography, video, and also gaming with this phone. At sabi, nakita ko may video ako nakita. Para siyang dinadrop test, pinampupukpok doon sa mga mani. Yun na sabi nila. I think they're using the back of the phone. I'm not sure. May nakita kasi akong video, pero huwag yung gagayahin yun. We're not sure of it. But, siguro sa mga accidental drop, okay lang din siya. Oh my God, medyo matagal siya mag-setup for the Wi-Fi. So, mukhang marami siyang ini-install. Ang tagal. Bakit matagal? Medyo matagal. Bakit kaya matagal? And we are back. So, copy apps and data. Don't copy. So, gusto ko say new phone. So, checking information. Ayan. Ba, medyo matagal ah. So, may pansin ko, medyo mabagal yung setup niya, no, compared to other phone. So, login muna tayo sa ating Google. At nalagay ko na yung aking Google account. Ayan, nag-alert na sa ibang phone ko about the recently logged in. So, ganun yun, no? Pag nag-login ka at meron ka pang pangalawang phone or same account, it will trigger a notification. I-accept mo na kung ikaw ba talaga yung tao na yun. So, right now, the Google services is now loading at backup device. No, ayoko. So, accept natin yun. At let's set up the fingerprint, facial, at password. For first, let's set up a password. So, gusto ko numeric. Ayan. So, I think, I'm not sure kung 4 numbers to or 6 numbers. Sana 4 lang. So, oh my God, there's 6 numbers. So, mag-enroll muna ako ng 6 pin code. Wait lang. And my pin code is now up. So, let's move on to the fingerprint scan. So, login muna tayo ulit. And for the fingerprint, so sabi dito daw tayo magpe-press. So ayan, we're now enrolling our fingerprint para makita na siya. At move, move, move. Go, go, go. Ayan. Yon. Yon. Okay na. So next naman natin is yung face naman niya. At login ulit tayo. And enroll tayo ng face. And nakita niyo naman yung aking madlang face. Uy, ang bilis ah. Ang bilis naman nun. Grabe. Yun ang pinakamabilis na facial recognition enrollment scan. So let's click that agree and more. Agree. Just a second. Assistant lock. Sige, agree. So kailangan din natin minsan yung assistant lock na yan. So it's still loading. Loading, please wait. No thanks. Getting your phone ready. Ayan. So ito yun Realme C65. Let's check it out yo. Realme account, hindi pa ako nakapag-enroll nito. Pero skip na lang muna tayo dyan. Recommended, auto-update overnight, blah, blah, blah. So, select natin yung next. Why? May mga apps silang ganito. No, I don't like to install those games. Hindi ko naman kailangan. So, skip. Navigation, I like the buttons instead of the gesture. Sorry. Tito mode lang ako. And this is Realme UI. Ito na siya. Setup na siya. Get started. Ayan. Wow, ang ganda ng wallpaper niya. Ooh, I really like the wallpaper. Very professional ang dating niya. So, meron siyang app market din. Sariling app market. At marami nangyayari sa background, updating all of the apps. And some apps na hindi ko kailangan. But the Google Play is already installed. Pero ganda ng I really like the wallpaper. No? Super nice. At may Netflix na, Facebook. So, let's check the settings nito. Settings nito is, let's go to the about the device. So, 5,000 milliampere, 8 GB plus 4. Bakit 4? Kala ko 8. Yun, you can full blast to 8 GB para makakuha ka ng RAM expansion na up to 16 GB. So, right now, the default is 4 GB yung additional niya. So, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, meron kang 12 GB na ginagamit. Kasi, pag iti-tinker mo to, you need to restart. Ayoko mag-restart. So, right now, we're using the additional 4 GB. Pero pwede mo siyang i-full blast up to 16. So, front camera is 8. Rear camera is 50. So, it's all good. It's all good. All good. It's very lightweight, no? Very lightweight. Ay, gusto kong i-drop test pero natatakot ako. Not for this phone. And the screen, okay siya. I don't see any sluggish part for manyang other menus. May Bluetooth, ring, flashlight, location, auto-rotate. Dapat naka-auto-rotate to. Link to Windows, screenshot, QR code, tap to scan. So, paano kaya yun, no? Yung tap to scan, no? So, ganun ba yun? Or kailangan naka-on siya? Hindi ko pa alam kung paano gamitin eh. So, we are going to explore that thing. Natap ko dito, no? Sabi nila sa ilalim daw ng camera. So, hindi gumagana. I need to do more research about it. Magpa-practice tayo. Gawa tayo ng separate video for that. And maraming nangyayari sa background. Let's check the camera. So, this is the medyo bagal mag-load yung camera niya. Hello! Boom! Kasi loading lang niya. So, wala siyang wide angle lens. So, we have 1x, 2x, saka 5x lang. So, wala siyang wide angle. For the 50 megapixel of camera, I have here a cute character here. Ayan. So, I'm gonna take a picture of it. Medyo malapit-lapit na ako, no? So, okay naman siya for a very close-up but colorful kind of photo. So, hindi naman ako ganun ka-perfect sa photography ng toys, but this is a good example of the 1x, 2x, at 5x. 5x yung medyo shaky na, no? Medyo shaky na rin din siya. So, it looks good pa rin din. And for the video, 1x, 2x lang. So, you're shooting at 1080p 30 FPS or 720 30 FPS, pwede rin. For the photo, for the selfie, this is the selfie. Ayan. So, okay na naman. The normal camera phone for an 8 megapixel of front camera. So, meron siya ditong night mode, street, video, photo, portrait, high-res. Some more, there's pro version. Oh, ganda. Meron siyang pro for photography. This is nice. Panoramic, movie, text scanner, time-lapse, slow-mo, at tilt shift. So, you can edit that, everything. Let's check out this speaker. No? So, magbablog tayo. Kunyari, magagawa tayo ng TikTok video. Ayan, I'm now recording. So, you can take photos, no, while recording, but you cannot switch to the other lenses, no. So, ayan. Test mic, test check. Ayan. Check natin. Load natin ating camera. And you can take photos, no, while recording, but you cannot malakas yung speaker niya. The other lenses, no. So, ayan. Test mic, test check. Ayan. Check natin. Ayun. So, ayun siya. So, that's it for, I don't know. So, try ko naman yung no, yung fingerprint scan niya. It's faster. Oh, bilis, oh. Ayun. For the facial, pag facial naman. Pag facial, you have to scroll up. Ayan. Para makita. In-scan niya ako, then scroll up. Okay, that's nice. Mabilis naman din siya. So, that's it guys for our feature with the Realme C65 from Realme Philippines. So, thank you so much Realme Philippines for this new collab. At nakakuha na naman tayo ng bagong insights at review. Gagawa pa tayo ng full review nito. Gagawa pa tayo ng more tests using the Realme C65 smartphone. Parang nagkadumi pa ata. Madumi ata kami ko eh. Ayan. So, yun. So, thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright. Thank you so much, Realme. Kita-kits sa ating photo test soon. Alright.